Okay, uh, in this video, we're going to take a look at creating two more services. One is the user service and the other is command service. So the hierarchy works in this way. You have n number of users, or I should say, let's say there is a user who can create n number of posts, and each post will have n number of comments to it. So to deal with this, I'll be creating a user service. We already have a post service, and then I'll be creating a comment service. Now, let's start with creating a model. So this will have a Java, or I should say, take copy this, paste it, for user, and cancel. Setter, getter, builder, user, UUID. This will be first name, will be last name, be username, post, okay, username, and this will be static user. What is this? Post. Okay, this will be user and of first name. uh should I keep this? Okay, first name, uh, first name should be last name, username, and we'll have a user builder ID, username, description will be the first name. So first name, okay, and this will be last name, created at build. Okay, now this is okay, but this will have private set of post, and we'll have post equal to new asset, and the post will have a user. So this will have set, oh, no, sorry, this will have user. So it'll be a one to many mapping. So one post will, one user will have many posts. We'll take a look at the Hibernate and mapping and everything later on, but we'll create the relationship between them. Okay, you have user home slash. The post won't be having a user right now, but you can have a, say, user. Okay, and we go to user, have a posts. I don't think so. This will be required here. We can add the user to the post later. We can, and we go to post controller. Is there any issue? Nope. Go to post DAO. Is there? Okay, this one. And go to post mapper, not an issue. Post service. Okay. This one will be quiet. Cool. Okay. Now we have a post DAO, and we add new, copy this, and we'll have a paste this, and this will be user DAO. Okay, and cancel this. We'll have a user in here, the users map, user map. Yep. This will be user IDs, user map. This will be user IDs, and this is post. Okay, so we need to create a user. P1 user dot off. First name will be, let's say, Joe. Last name and the username. So last name will be Joe. Anything, Joe Buddy, and username will be JB. J Buddy can be Samantha. Carney. This, let's call this a user. This will be user, and user. Okay, Samantha Carney as Carney. And this will be, let's say, we call it a my name, and we cool. Now we got the user map, put P1, call it the U1. And this will be U. This will be U2. And oh wait. Users map. Okay, so we done that. We get this user, and collection. We got users. Get all. I should say get all users. Getting all users. This will be users map. Okay, this will be user and get user by ID. This will be get user user map dot get ID, and then this will be post and user add user IDs dot add post.getID, adding a new post with the this will be user, this will be user, this will be user, adding new post with the ID, adding a new user with the ID, and this will be user map, user dot get ID, user be user. Okay, and this will be delete, add user, this will be delete user. User map dot get user ID. Let that be ID. User if user is equal to null, then login for no user available for the ID, return null. User map dot remove delete post ID, delete. What does this do? Delete user IDs dot remove the ID, delete user ID. Okay, I'll add this to this. Okay, and return user post update, and this will be user and user post existing, this will be user existing user user map dot get user, and existing. So we are updating user, so existing user get the existing user. If the existing user is equal to null, then no user available for the ID, user ID, and return null. Else update the existing user. So what the update function does is we need to update user, delete user, update user, and this will be update post user existing user, post new user. So existing user dot set name will be existing user dot set name will be the new user dot get name. Okay, last name. Cool. Existing user dot set last name, first name will be new user dot get first name. Existing user dot set first name user new user get set last name updated at local datetime now. Existing user dot set username set username as new user dot get username. And what else do we have? You have first name, last name. Yeah, first name, last name, username is what that can be updated. So yeah, you got the existing user, new user, will be user, and user map dot put existing dot get id as the existing user, and this will return the user. Cool. So size will return user map dot size. The get post IDs will return user map dot get post IDs. The user IDs dot get, and this will be the same. Delete user by ID. And cool. So we have created a DAO for the user activity or the user service. That's it for this video. We'll take a look at the service and the controllers in the next. Bye.